Welcome to our channel. If you're a student looking to access free streaming trials through educational discounts, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your entertainment options while saving money. Step 1. Compile a list of streaming services that offer student discounts or extended trials, including Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Prime Student, YouTube Premium, and Hulu. Step 2. Verify your student status through official verification platforms by creating accounts with Unidays, Student Beans, or your school's benefits portal. Step 3. Prepare your student documentation including a current student ID card, official enrollment letter, or access to your EDU email address for verification purposes. Step 4. Visit each streaming service's student discount page, usually found by searching service name, student discount, or navigating through their pricing options. Step 5. Follow the student verification process for each service, which typically involves entering your school name, expected graduation date, and uploading verification documents. Step 6. Take advantage of extended trial periods offered to students, which are often longer than standard trials, such as 6 months free instead of 1 month. Step 7. Note the discounted subscription price after your trial ends, as student rates are typically 50% off standard pricing, making continued subscription more affordable. Step 8. Set reminders to re-verify your student status annually, as most student discounts require periodic confirmation that you're still enrolled in an educational institution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.